Hi everyone. So this one I would like to share how to obtain the data from the e-CALLISTO. So firstly you Google the e-CALLISTO. Just type e-CALLISTO. Okay. And then you go to the e-CALLISTO solar spectrometer. Okay. Then you go to the data and you go to data access. Okay. So here you is a database. So it depend on what year you want to observe. So just from the flare catalog, which is I have shared in previous video. Okay, so we are interested on 23 July 2016. So we go to the e-CALLISTO 2016. Okay, July 23. Okay, so it will upload. It's loading the 2016. 23 July 2016. Okay, so here is the name of the station. Okay, this is the date and this is the time in UTC. Okay, so for each picture, okay, it contains 15 minutes observation. Okay, so just now we want to look at 5. Okay, from the Hinode. Okay, so 500 to 524. Okay, so 500 here. Okay, you just put the cursor, doesn't need to click. Just put the cursor, it will display the image. Okay, so this is the image at 500. Okay, 500 to 515. Next is 515 to 530. So these two image shows no signature of solar radio burst. But it not just in the Alaska station, we have other station. So look at the other station. Okay, Austria, is it covered during this period? It's not covered. Okay, 5 to 5:30 is not covered. So just skip. So you just go to the station that observe at that particular time. Okay, so is it one not? Okay, so you just go and observe. Okay, 500. Okay, so this is 500. Okay, so 500 for this range of frequency. So for this station BIR, it has a few different time, different frequency range observation. So here you can see, okay, 500 here to 513. Okay, from 20 to the 100. So you see here, this is the signature of radio burst. Okay, so meaning that it occur in this range, not in this range. Okay, but you can observe next. Okay, so next, okay, here. Okay, so another image is occur at 524 to 526 27. Okay, it's happened at 27. Okay, so this is the burst. So you have to keep this image and save and put into your report. Okay, so you can go to the other station you want to interested to see what the station is it detect or not. Okay, so blend station, it cover 505 here. Okay, it's cover here 05. Okay, it's not. Okay, tak ada so blend 5, so blend SW 0500. Okay, this here. Okay, also detected solar radio burst. Okay, and this one is solar radio burst. So all this image is solar radio burst. So this is solar radio burst image. Okay, if that particular event don't have a solar radio burst, so it just like this. Okay, like this. So this has no solar radio burst. Okay, so this image has solar radio burst. Okay, then it's continue at 528. Okay, another strong solar radio burst. Okay, so this is how to use this database to obtain the signature of the solar radio burst during the flare. Okay, that's all. Thank you.